Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Lovers TV. This is our TechMate. Currently, I'm running macOS Ventura and the version is 13.4.1. Apple has released a new software. This is basically a rapid security response update. Let's take a look at the build number. Build number is 13.4.1C, and as you can see for yourselves, it is coming at a very small footprint of 6.6 MB in size. This rapid security response provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. And therefore, I'm going to install it now and I'll talk to you after the installation is done. Now that the rapid response updates have been applied, let me log in and confirm this. Yes, it's logging in. I'll let it come up and show you the desktop. I think we'll allow it a few more seconds. Yes, there you go. I heard some beautiful sound and it is logging in. Let's give it some time. I'm not sure why it is unusually taking this much of time. I want to hear your experience if you're experiencing anything like this. There you go, beautiful scenery there. And we can now go ahead and let's confirm that by going to settings, go to general and click on software update. Allow it a few seconds for it to show up. Any moment you can see, yes, there you go. It shows clearly macOS Ventura 13.4.1C and the build number is 22F770820D. I think this is it for the rapid security response updates from Apple. I want to hear your experience of how this short updates and sweet updates, if you will, go. I'm loving it. You know what? This is small in footprint and therefore it's easy to apply and MacBook comes back to life just in a jiffy. I really think Apple is up to something very interesting with the small footprints rolled out as rapid security response fixes, and I'm loving it. I would love to hear your experience, your feedback in the comment section below. Having said that, on another note, have you been installing the public beta versions that's rolled out currently by Apple for macOS Sonoma? If so, which MacBook you are using? Is it your primary driver or a secondary driver? What has been your experience of early public betas of macOS Sonoma? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I'm quite interested to hear from each and every one of you. I think with that, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you really liked what you saw. If so, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if not already. Go ahead and subscribe right now if you have not done yet. And my friends, please press the bell icon for notifications for not missing any upcoming videos and share it with your network and your friends. Somebody could be interested in this release and somebody could be benefited from this release. And you know what? I shall simplify the complex topics on tech. Make no mistake about it. Thanks one more time for being with me in this journey and looking forward to talking to you all in my upcoming video. Till then, this is our TechMate saying bye and take care. Talk to you next time.